Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you how to, on this particular device, how to clear the cache partition or wipe the cache partition. Now the cache partition is a special partition that contains all your device's cache. Now let's say for example, this device is having battery issues or maybe apps are just crashing, you can clear the cache, alright? So to do that, we're gonna first boot into Android recovery. The normal way is to power off the device, and once it's powered off, we're gonna hold the volume button. Depending on your device, it should be in a different place, but in this case it's here. We're gonna hold while it's off, we're gonna hold power, we're gonna hold volume up and power, and it will boot into Android recovery. On some tablets there is a option in menu to boot into Android recovery, so it depends on your device. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and turn off this particular tablet. So I'm gonna press and hold. All right, so once I press and hold the power button, it will bring up this menu, and I'm going to turn off the tablet. Notice it says here power off, so I'm going to hit OK. All right, just give it a few minutes. Shouldn't take long, and it should be powered off. So this is the section now. I'm going to hold on power and volume up. All right, as soon as I see the logo, I'm going to let go of power and keep holding volume up. All right, now if you see here, I'm inside the Android recovery, and of course this menu has several options and we'll need to move through the options. So I'm going to move down, up and down volume to navigate, and power to select. I am going to go to Wipe Cache Partition. On this particular device, it actually says the name is a little bit different. It does say Wipe Reserve Partition. All right, and reserve there would be the one reserved for cache. So it says Wipe Reserve Partition. All right, so it's the same thing. We're going to select the option, and notice it says here it cannot be undone, and it says the Android version. It gives you the various information, and here it does say that give you the option. You're going to select yes, so I'm going to move down and press yes with power button. All right, so tap on the power button, it will say yes. All right, now of course I do not want to do that, so what I'm going to do instead, I'm going to say no. For you it's going to be yes. All right, so on yours it might say Wipe Cache Partition, so I'm going to hit that's the usual text. I'm going to hit no here. Once you're finished with wiping the partition or the cache partition or the reserve partition, you're going to hit reboot now, and the system is going to reboot. And that's how you wipe the cache partition on these basic Android devices, which is the Chinese Android device. All right, so let the system boot back up and your problem should be fixed. All right, so see you in the next one, guys. Bye.